What I got for y'all today,
the TCL FLIP3 phone.
pretty cool little phone. I'll take it inside and show y'all the whole thing, but this is just a regular little flip phone. And it brings internet stuff where you can do stuff with. I really didn't care for. I just wanted a regular phone just for calling, like it was in the older days. Not no regular Android phone and stuff. But I went ahead and grabbed this one. They had the newer model, but the newer model you can't remove battery. This one you can remove battery. You can buy like extra batteries for it and stuff. Anyway, it's a new phone. I still don't know much about it, and I'm gonna figure it out. But I'm gonna do a review on it. The little that I do know, I know you can get on the internet and stuff on it, but I don't want to. That's not what I want it for. As a matter of fact, that's kind of why I got it, because an Android phone, you know, you're constantly surfing the internet. You're never doing nothing. Anywhere you're at, people are everywhere. Nobody hangs out with nobody each other no more. They're just always on their phone. You can be on a whole group and everybody's always on their phone. This, well, it kind of eliminates that, because, you know, just for calling, you know, a little flip phone, that's it. I mean, it's got internet, but it ain't worth it seeing that little big screen, man. So I like this. This is going to be good. Let me take you inside and show you the stuff on it. Of course, I already pulled out the phone to show you, but let me show you. It brings your information stuff right here. Here we go. Important consumer safety information. There's of course in different language there. You turn around that way. Product safety and warranty information. And then that's in Spanish, I guess. We'll turn it the other way. Here we go. Quick reference guide. So you got all your information there. Inside the box, you got your adapter there. You plug in the charging and your wire. Of course, it uses a regular. I haven't used it because it's a regular phone wire. You see that? And of course, this side is the thick part kind of plug in. But really, I just haven't used it because it's like all the other phones, and the phone just came in there like that, basically, but with the battery down below. I'm gonna give you a basic step right quick. How to get the SD card in there and your phone card, the camera card to activate it with. You just, the little lip right there, you pull on it, put your fingers, slide it around like that. Up on top right here, just pull down. And here's your SD card stuff, right, your phone card right there. You got a little lever right here you push down. You can push down the little lever, slide it down with the other finger if you can. Just finish lighting it out. You can grab it out like that. There it is, that simple. Okay, to put it back in there, to face it the right way, you see that the SD card got like a little corner part right there, and you'll see it right there on the phone. You can see it right there. You can see how it shows the slot on that side. So when you face the card, face it with the slot on that side as well. Slide it in there. Push it back in there like that. Same thing on the other side over here. It shows you how to face the, if you got like a camera card, the SD card to save your stuff in, put it that way. There's a little lever here, same thing when you're going to remove it, you push down that little lever and slide it out. Otherwise when you try to push it out, it's going to get stuck right here. It's going to jam up right here trying to come out. You don't want to break that, so just push it down, slide your card in there. I don't got a card in there right now, as you can see. The battery, it's got 4 little prongs down here at the bottom. And the battery's going to have the 4 prongs as well. You just want to put it down, mash it down like that. Put it where it matches, it even gives you arrows showing it, face it down. Put it like that. And there you go, you got it in there. The lid, simple. Just put it back up here. Basically, it's going to snap on pretty easy. And you got it on there. You're ready to go. Now that's how simple it is to put your SD card and your phone card in there. To turn it on, I'll give you a couple quick steps right quick. Turn it on, just hold down the phone button right here and it'll power up. Now it's powered up. So that's how simple it is for that to get done. On the front right here,
you can program a number right here, like a specific number you want. And I don't got one program right now, but if you say you like an emergency, you don't want to pull the phone out, somebody you always calling right, you want to call right away, just push. You can just, after you got the number program in there, you can just push 1, 2, 3 real quick, and they'll call that number. Just open it back up. It's still powering up. Okay, I'm gonna show you a couple quick functions right here. If you push the center button, see it's on. When you open your phone, it's on. Okay, when you push it up here, this one right here is gonna give you to your notifications. Right now I ain't got any, but that's how you get to your notifications. You push the end button to get out of it. Push this one up here. I'm gonna take you to your contact. You can end it right here. You push the green one right there, it's gonna take you to your call logs. That's why your call logs. I ain't got no call log in there right now, so y'all can see who's been calling or anything. Not that y'all need to anyway. And then same thing, hang up. To get out of there, the hang up ain't gonna do nothing. Besides turn it off. If you hold it down, that's how you turn the phone off. Like if say your menu's right here, you can just return to by clicking the return button right here. You can add some phone number to your favorite instead of looking up for the phone number. Instead of going looking for your phone number, you can just put them on favorite right here in the little star, and they'll pop up whatever you got there for favorite, your favorite contacts. Same thing, exit back out right there. Right here, so you can go check your mail, whatever mail you got in. Instead of having to go the long way, there's a fast way to get to it. And then you got these functions up here. You can push OK. It's going to take you to your home menu. Mine's rearranged different because I rearranged it different, so yours might look different. As you go down, you can go through all your menu. Exit back out. If you push up, it'll take you to the flashlight and stuff. You can go to up. There's a flashlight. Push it. You see the light come on back there. You can use that for a little flashlight or something. Push it again to turn the flashlight off. Same thing, Wi-Fi, you got different things there. Your Bluetooth. And then you got the vibrate right there. You want the vibrate off or on. How much you want it on or whatever. Exit back out. You push down, it'll take you to your cloud service. Exit out. If you push this way, it's going to take you to a menu like you can get YouTube. Different things, and you just push up and down to scroll through them, see which one you want. You click on it to go to it. Just exit back out. You push to this side, it's going to bring your camera. Push it again, it's going to do the video camera. Push this up here, and you can pick the flash on or off right there. Exit back out, just push this, and basically you're good to go right there. Exit all the way out right there. So those are quick, simple things. There's more I can teach y'all later, but that's just the quick stuff I was giving you right now. Now it's got radio, You can go to radio. There's the radio right there, FM radio. And if you try playing, it's gonna be all staticky and stuff. But if you put your headphones right there, the headphones work as an antenna to kill some of that static, and then you'll be able to listen to music with your headphones on and without being so staticky. But if you try to play it play the radio without the headphones in there, you basically don't got no antenna, and it sounds horrible. So that's basically a quick step on how to do stuff, and I'll show you some other stuff later. Of course, up here on the face, it'll have like the timer stuff, whatever you program it on there. You can have different display on there. We'll be making some more videos on other stuff you can do with the phone besides those simple functions I just gave you right quick. But I wanted to show you how to get the SD card in there, the battery, and the phone card in there the right way. So thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. I'll have more videos coming up later.